Another topic that clients should be made aware of when purchasing pre-construction projects are the Tarion statement of critical dates. So builders often provide for an estimated or targeted completion date, but delays are extremely common. Contracts will often have clauses allowing the builder to extend closing dates without the need to provide for compensation, and in extreme cases, allow buyers an option to terminate the transaction. So the Tarion Statement of Critical Dates, the legally required section in a pre-construction purchase agreement for new homes and condominiums in Ontario, outlines key dates related to construction, occupancy of the property, as well as your closing. This helps purchasers manage their expectations for when they can realistically take possession and what happens if and when a builder delays the project. If a builder delays the project past a certain date, purchasers may be entitled to what's known as delayed closing compensation under Tarion's delayed closing occupancy warranty. To qualify for this compensation, your builder must have failed to provide you with proper notice of the extension of your closing date and delayed the closing past what's known as the Tarion outside closing date or firm closing date as well. Purchasers can be entitled to $150 per day to a maximum of $7,500. Intended to cover temporary living costs such as hotel or rental accommodations, storage fees, moving costs, anything directly related to the delay itself. However, there are situations that a builder can utilize to prevent themselves from affording delayed closing compensation, one of which is known as an unavoidable delay, which is inclusive of events like strikes, natural disasters, the pandemic, as we saw several years ago, anything that is an extraordinary or unforeseeable event. Builder is not entitled to provide you with compensation for such a delay. Further to that, any delay caused by a purchaser that can extend the closing date from its original closing date. So failure to secure mortgage financing to be in a position to close can place a buyer, place them subject to legal, administrative, or penalties as a result of that.